Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I've got my daughter here, and we were just sent this really lovely rebounder for pretty much any sport, for volleyball, basketball, anything that you're wanting to use a rebounder, play by yourself, to be able to do that and adjust the angles. This kit actually comes with everything that you need to actually have a good time. You've got your carrying case, because this thing collapses all the way down. It does have ground stakes, as well as this target strap that you can use to actually create a target on there, which is kind of a neat. This one comes with a nice pink finish on here. And about the finish of this is a nice powder coated, very sturdy metal frame, which is going to be great and give a lot of wear because it's a nice smooth finish like that, and it's that nice powder coated finish with that steel frame. So that's really great. Another really nice part is you have the ability to adjust the angle of this. So it comes where you can fold it completely flat if you're going to store it in a garage or something, but you could actually loosen these up and actually drop this clear back. I'm going to go ahead and bring it back and set it on the next to the furthest back setting to kind of give us a little bit of room that we can play here. And we're going to go ahead and do this kind of in the grass, set this kind of in the grass. But if you were going to put this inside or maybe in a basement or wanted to set this up on some hard floor, you actually do have these plastic or rubber feet that are on the bottom of here that can actually help kind of stabilize that on the ground as well. So those are adjustable and you can put those on. There's 4 of those, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. Now, the bungee cords that are on this are very taut, very strong structural bungee cords, and they provide you with 32 of these. Now, that's a lot more than a typical rebounder set that we've done videos on in the past, and maybe only have around 20 to 24 bungee cords. This one does give you a lot of extra. You don't have to use them all if you want to have a little more flex, but if you're wanting it to be nice and springy like a good rebounder should be, certainly take advantage of all 32. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit here. This is a volleyball. If you're going to use it for a basketball, passing it back and forth to yourself, I mean, that has a lot of spring to that. Why don't you try to set up a volleyball on there and show them? So you can even go ahead and hit that back and forth to yourself. Try to hit it a couple times. So this kind of thing allows you to go ahead and adjust the angle. So depending on the size of your player, you can adjust this angle at 4 or 5 different settings. On the back there, it's got 4 adjustable settings plus the finish setting there for folding it flat. So you've got a lot of different versatility with this design. I really like the design, really like the product, and the fact that it has this great steel frame with that powder coated finish should allow it to stay outside and work for many years to come.